Hello, my beautiful friends. I have an unboxing to do from my happy life. So let's get to it. I did open the box so you wouldn't have to see me struggle with tape. And the first thing on top is, when you celebrate life, life celebrates you back. When you love life, life loves you back. When you enjoy life, life is a joy. That is a quote by Joe Dispenza. And I'm not looking because on the back it tells you what's in this box. All right, so what do we have here? Well, let's see, we have our box value, so I'm not going to look at that till the end. We have a cute little sticker, magical things inside. And then the first thing on top is dark milk chocolate, 53% cacao. French broad chocolate is a bean-to-bar chocolate maker. We shall be eating that right after this video. All right, what else do we have in here? Pick up this thing because it's in the middle. Oh, that's nice. Imagine that's a tea light holder. It's like a bluish green. I don't know if you can see it. You put tea lights in it. That's pretty. I like that. All right, what else do we have in here? Oh, look at that big chunkin' piece of orange selenite. It's rough. That's cool. A little bundle of Palo Santo. I have a bag. What is in the bag? Sounds like rocks. Bag of rocks. Maybe they're runes. Oh, there's like a thing in here. What is this thing? Oh. So it's a base, a bag of sand. Oh. Stone stacking, a pocket guide. Well, that is pretty cool. And these are all stones, I'm imagining. Oh yeah, different stones. Well, that's cool. But here's something I want to tell you about stone stacking. This is perfect because it's in your house and it's not affecting wildlife. When you are on a trail, please don't stack stones. It messes up the little families of creatures that live in the rocks that you're moving. Right? So unless there's an actual reason to have a cairn because of danger or, some sort of trail condition, don't go stacking stones. Also, I know this is controversial, don't go painting stones in the wild. That paint is toxic to the animals and the wildlife. Leave no trace. Don't go touching things. Now, you want to buy rocks at the store and paint those? All for that. In the wild, though, leave it be. All right, what else is in here? Oh, the Happiness Journal. Oh, I like a good book. It's the Happiness Journal. Positives log, your natural world, what brings you happiness, give yourself permission. Well, that's very nice. Creative activities to bring joy to your day. Who doesn't want joy in their day? All right, I think that's everything. All right, let's check out the wee card, shall we? What did I do with it? I swear it was right here. Oh, here it is. All right. Your box has a value of over $70. Happiness Journal, $12.95. Well, it's £9.99, which is about $12.95 US dollars, so that's accurate. Cairn Stone set, $12.50. I would have probably guessed that to be higher because, I would see paying $20 for that at like a craft fair or something like that. And I will say I love it because I never stack stones in the wild, so I get to stack stones in my house. That's a good idea. Orange selenite, $16. Yeah, that's about what that goes for. Mosaic candle holder, $12. Well, I think it's better quality than the dollar store, but I feel like you could probably get something like this at Five Below. So I'm gonna call bullshit on that. French broad chocolate, $7.50. Well, when you get stuff like this, it's always too expensive. The Palo Santo bundles, $4. That's about it. And shipping, which is $8, not part of the package. I wish they'd take that off this card because that's stupid. Shipping doesn't count toward the cost of the box. So, overall, good box. Definitely worth what I spent for it. I can't remember what we paid for this box. $40, I think. So, I'm happy with everything, and I can't wait to try the journal and stack these little stones in my house. So, I am wishing you all the best in light and love. I will link my Happy Life below so that you can get your own box. I am not sponsored by them. I don't get a kickback. But it brought me joy, so I'm excited to play with these things. Be well. Take care. Bye-bye.